Machining headaches with tough parts. Hardness off the charts.
Diamond grade cutting tool takes command.
Speed cuts through limits. Dry process.
Workflow easier. Hardened steel, no problem. High temp alloys, we conquer.
Precision guaranteed every time.
Mirror finish, every part.
Cutting tool lasts longer.
Cost drops. Less downtime. More profit. Good equals top manufacturing. Want to witness real power? Jakarta Industrial Expo, Indonesia.
Tech-loaded lineup awaits you.
Good booth.
Don't miss out.